use your imagination, creativity, and skills to make something beautiful out of nothing, to express your feelings. Art is not merely focusing on the things that you can see in the museums like statues and paintings. It can be also a bouquet of flowers for your special someone's and loved ones.
Arranging flowers into a bouquet is a special kind of art called a floral design. It is considered art because the person making it has to make a creative choices.
A mini bouquet and keychain is a handmade accessory that combines with the aesthetic appeal of a floral bouquet with the practicality of a keychain.
Good day everyone! We are here at Barangay Don Valle Hermoso, Negros Oriental to interview the person who is behind the creation of valuable handmade bouquet and keychains.
Hi sir, good afternoon. Kamusta man ka?
Okay na tayo ga.
Thank you for accepting sa among invitation para ma-interview ka sir ha.
Welcome.
So, karon kanang pwede ba nimo ma-introduce imong name, ay imong edad o taga-asa ka?
So, by the way, I'm John Fortune Alpat. I'm 18 years old from Barangay Dun-I, Hermoso, Negros Oriental.
So, unsa man nga art ang imong na-create sir?
So, ako na-create is bouquet and keychains.
So, unsa may name ani sa imong business?
So, the name of the business is Aguila's Officials.
Oh, so nasa ka or pila na ka months or tuig na ka nga gahimo ani nga business sir?
So, actually, di pa siya year, kaya nag-start niya atong September last year. So, hantod karon. So, base po hon, maka-sustain niyo sa imong mga kuan sa mong product na ma-abtan ni og many years.
So, kuan sir, unsa may rason nga nung nakahimo ka ani nga business or unsa inspiration nimo anong gahimo ka ani og kapadayon paghimo sa imong business sir?
Actually, todo mi ani sa among business. We are bestie. So, nag-decision mi og himo og product na kuan, bouquet o kitchen kay para sa amo ang financial sa among pag-eskwela kay dili isod kaayo ang mag-college ug kulang sa financial. So, kuan mi og kanang business or kuan mi og nagkunahuna mi og sa among ibalik sa eskwela na mo pop up siya to kanang mo kuan naman siya mo sikat. So, himo mi og mga bouquet kitchens.
Hi sir! So, sa imong mga artwork nga gibuhat, unsa nga mga materials ang imong need ana o asa na imong kuha ang mga materials ana?
So, the materials of bouquet is fuzzy wire and katong mga wrapper, need jitag wrapper kay para sa itong mga bouquet. Then, sa kuan na mo, kanang supplier is add sa TikTok. Order na sa TikTok. Dito na nato makita itong mga materials na mo na ginapahibuhat para sa bouquet.
So, sa first nimo nga pa puhunan sir, pila sa imong nagastos sir?
So, nag-start mi og 500 kay first pa man namo na invest sa amuang kuan business. So, nag-start mi 500. So, among kuan na to kanang product is only keychains. So, nagbuhat mi keychain ato pero maka-customize pud mi pero limited color lang. So, dili kita na available ka na ng color. So, narami blue, white, and yellow, and green. And especially sa kuan kanang purple. So, na-ato yung mag-customize. Then, latest na muna, na-ato siya ni-order. Then, na-order siya all 30 kitchen kay para sa iyahang.
So, sir, kinsa
bata.
yung mga target buyers ani sir o kinsa yung mga supporter ani sa imong business?
So, akong target buyers ani kay ang mga lovers or mga katuman graduate sa mga college o mga high schools.
Dayon. Unsa man ka lang, so far sir, unsa may mga achievements ani sa imong?
So far, wala pa siya achievement sa amo ang business. So, amo lang kay mag-sustain ang amo ang kuan lang product na di mi madugi.
So sir, unsa may mahatag ni mga message or advice sa imong mga pareha ni mga bago-ra ni start og business o sa ato pang nagplano pa nga maghimo og business para sa imo?
So, akong advice sa manog sugod is kanang ilan jud mo kahadlok na malugi or sa kuan mawad ang pag-asa. So, don't think negative, always positive.
When we saw the artist's work, especially the keychain in the flower bouquet, we honestly did not expect to feel something deep from simple objects. But as we look closer, we realized that this artwork carried more meaningful than we first thought. The keychain may be small, but we learned that even small things required patience, focus, and creativity. Seeing how detailed and carefully made it was made us appreciate the effort behind it. It reminded us that even the smallest creation can have value, especially when they are made with dedication and heart. The flowers bouquet felt more emotional to us. Flowers usually symbolize love, appreciation, and special memories. Looking at it made us think about how art can express feelings that words sometimes cannot say. We could feel the warmth and sincerity behind the arrangement. It made us realize that art is not just about appearance, it is about emotions. From the artist, we learned that passion is important in creating something meaningful. Their work inspired us to value effort, creativity, and the emotion behind every creation. It made us see that art becomes powerful when it is made with genuine feelings and purpose.